Hello guys, welcome to this new project. Today I will show you how to create a freestyle job in Jenkins. So let's quickly go to our Jenkins console. To create a freestyle job in Jenkins, you have two ways. You can come here with new item, or you come here to create a job. But you have this portion here because the dashboard is empty, there's no jobs. So the best way is always to come here under the new item. You click new item, and you enter your job name. Let's call it, for example, let's call our first job, for example, DevOps. You select freestyle. As you can see, there are multiple type of jobs. We'll go over this in our next video, but today we focus our energy on the freestyle job. A freestyle job is here. You click on freestyle, okay. A freestyle job is just a simple jobs. It's just a simple jobs that you can use to quickly test something, but usually this is not being used in production at work. It's not even in development. So freestyle job is just something that if you want to test something real quick, you can go ahead and use that. So, and you can create that. Those are generals, and you can come down here. For example, if you want to run command, you go to the build step. For example, you click invoke shell, right? Execute this, and you can start typing your command here. This is like the shell that Jenkins the script that the little script that Jenkins will read. So I can say ls, for example, I can say pwd, for example, and then I can say uname -r, for example. If I apply this and save, I can go ahead and build. Build means that I can go ahead and ask Jenkins to execute or ask Jenkins to run the command that I actually put on that job. That's what I mean build now, right? I will ask Jenkins to execute or to run the command that I put on that job. So I will go ahead and build now. Something will appear here. And Jenkins just told me that I just built it. It gives you the date and also and give you the build number, right? If I build again, Jenkins will build again. Now, if I want to find out the log, what happened, so I can click on the build number and click on console output. It's already there. It will go ahead and give me the log. So as you can see, each time Jenkins will say plus, meaning that Jenkins ran a command. It says ls, it's nothing is there. It says pwd and say that we are under var lib Jenkins workspace DevOps, right? Uname -r, it actually gave me the kernel. So this is simple. So that's just how you create a freestyle job, and you can do anything. Like, you can do it. Just like I said, if you go under, if you want to like change something, you go under configure, and you can do under the shell, you can do whatever you want to do there. You can create directory, create file, you can echo a file. Like, let's say, for example, if I say echo, I said DevOps, for example, I redirect into a file. Then if I come down here, I say ls-l, you will see that this file has been created. So, right. So if I say, then I build, it's going to give me another build, the third build. As you guys can see here, when I said, as you guys can see here, we said echo this, echo DevOps, and I think it was redirected ls4, and this is the file that we created. So create this file. So that's just how we work in the freestyle job, right? And on the freestyle, and you can delete, like, for example, here, I can delete a view if I don't like it, or I can manage it. That's going to be the object of the next video. Thank you. I hope you like this video.